raised down to Louisiana, down on the Black Bayou. Well, we like our swamps and alligators, love our crawfish too. Got that filet gumbo running through our veins. It's our feet dancing when we hear that fiddle play. We love to hear that Cajun music down at the Fado Do, dancing with our sweethearts and just letting the good times roll. We know it's God first and then our family and friends. It's kind of hard to explain. It's just a Louisiana thing.
We got our fresh garfish. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean these things. I hadn't decided if I'm gonna do a roast or some gar balls. It'll be one of the two. It's probably a good 4-footer. Good size when they come a lot bigger than this. I usually don't like to mess with them if they're smaller than this. I mean, these are worth messing with when you get a good 4-footer, 5-footer, 6-footer. But y'all stay tuned. I'll show you guys how I clean them. Okay, I built this. It's going to hold them in place. I'm going to put a screw right here. Just get the pliers, hold this right here. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and get in here with the knife. We're going to just take him off the shell. Cut that right there. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut the head right here. Okay. Okay, nothing to it. That didn't take long, guys. When you set up to do it, you have the right tools, you can do a bunch of these. Now we can do a number of things. We could make roast. We could probably make 2 nice roasts with this. Right, pretty meat. I think we'll go ahead, we'll probably just do some gar balls with this garfish here. So what we'll do is we'll fillet it off the bone. Look how pretty that meat is, white. Okay, we have one slab there. Do the other side. We'll turn it this way. Follow the rib cage. There we go. All right, not much left on that bone. Okay, we'll clean this meat up a little bit. We'll take a little bit of this. You'd like to get all this red meat off. We'll ground that up. We'll cut up some onions and bell peppers. We'll cook some potatoes. And we're going to make some little balls that we're going to fry up. It's going to be delicious. Cut all that off. How pretty that meat is, guys. Solid white meat. You want to take all the red out. Be able to make a lot of balls with these. Just that one fish going to give a lot of. For the gar balls, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic. Here's the gar fillets. We're going to smash that down. We have a few potatoes, a yellow onion, purple onion, a couple sweet banana peppers, and some jalapenos. Flour and Zatarang's fish fry. First thing we do is cut these potatoes, get those ready to ball. I'm going to cut them small, that way they'll ball real quick. Put them in the French fry cutter. I cut the onions, bell peppers. I use this for a lot of different stuff. Okay, we'll take this. We'll just chunk them out. Okay, that'll be plenty of potatoes. Let's do this purple onion. Cut it in half this way. Yellow onion. Go ahead and cut the green bell pepper. Banana peppers. Do the jalapenos. Alright, this should be good. We'll mix all this up. Get these potatoes going. let's put the fish in here, put the garfish in here. Let's go ahead and season it. We'll put some cayenne pepper. Salt. Garlic. A little black pepper. Alright, we're going to mash it all up. You could run this in a grinder and it'd work pretty good, but it's mashing up pretty good right here. We're going to add this. A little bit more. And now that we got that mixed, we're gonna add our little boiled potatoes to here. We'll go see if they're cooked. Okay, they're perfect. Go ahead and cool those down with some cold tap water. All right. I'm going to add the potatoes in here. A little bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. Okay, we got the potatoes in here. Let's mix all that up. Okay, we're doing probably this size right here. Put the flour in here. It's going to be mostly flour. We use a little bit of fish fry, not much. All right, that's perfect. All right, guys. We'll start dropping these gar balls in. It done. Down some more up, guys. We dying to try one of these. That's my Uncle Sam right here. He's going to be a taste tester for us. It might be super hot. See if you can break it in half. See what it looks like in the mix. See the potatoes in there? Well, here it goes. Very good. Man. That is good, huh? Yeah. Nice batch. garball.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
I'm sure that I'm gonna try too.
Okay, awesome.
Did you
If I could get my wife to try one.
Esperes camadagionet. Mas con él ya toca viver. Tradici yo pretesperé. Si d'accord de te pardonner. Parce que je peux pas t'oublier. Et c'est toi.
And good and bless Ken for catching the crabs.
Thank you.